Seker, rejqalem, xokaqa, qach'ab'äl libonojer, yalan yikikot Tzijonem rik'in, Kaqchikel junchke rikaji mamata qach'ab'äl nch'abex wawe Iximulew, wawe pampaxil. Wawe jun nimbre tal chiko jun ala petenej pa jotor rija tijoxel xin jun naojay, jun nimatijobul, Universidad de Texas, Oustin, Estados Unidos. Rijan tajin retamaj Kaqchikel, manchaxetan tajin retamaj Kaqchikel, chukarijan tajin nubun jun nim samaj chukotik, ri achkeru kemik, achkeru nuk'asb'ashik, qab'anob'al Kaqchikel wawe Iximulew. Rumari niñari tzij rich'ab'äl cherja, chirjan utzijojba, achkeru ma atko wawe, achkeru ma rejqalem risamaj yatajin amurat, achkeru ma yatajin nawetamaj Kaqchikel ch'ab'äl chuka. Tabanawsil.
Kamochawe mapakal Roberto Nubirin in tijoxel Kaqchikel chuka in tijoxel pa nima tijobel Texas pa Oustin Estados Unidos inko wakami pa chi Iximulew ruma nitajin nusamaj pa huyu richin nu ch'utinuj paruwi nuk'asb'ashik qach'ab'äl Kaqchikel Achi'el shubij mapakal nim ruwa ruq'ij rik'ab'äl riloq'olaj qach'ab'äl nim rejqalem rumari nintz'et ruto'onik ri Kaqchikel cholchi ruto'onik ri mapakal Achi'el jun nimalaj sipanik chi rije nuya nkiya chwe Romari Hanila Katzinel Richin Wichin Chi Re Samajre Nuya Retal Parui Hare Nimruaruki Hare Rejqalem Romari Kinjuba Yochtikir Niketamaj Hare Ruaruki Hare Rejqalem Rik'ab'äl. To all those watching, a warm greeting from the home base of the Kaqchikel branch of the Academy of Mayan Languages. I'd also like to thank the support of Lilas Benson and the University of Texas at Austin for their help in supporting this work. We hope that we can intervene and contribute as a small work in support of the great work that is being done here in the Academy of Mayan Languages, the Kaqchikel branch, in support of Mayan languages that play such an important role in the history of Guatemala, but also in its current present. I think it's important to situate Mayan languages as vital components, not only of Guatemala's past, but as vibrant elements of Guatemala's present and future.